Good morning, good morning. It's a happy Sunday this morning. And this morning is Mother's Day. So, first of all, happy Mother's Day to all you amazing mothers out there. Whether you're a single mother, you're co-parenting, or you're in the same house, whatever the case is. But happy Mother's Day to all you guys out there. You guys doing an excellent job. So I'm not doing an excellent job, but for all those, whether you're doing a good job, not doing a good job, happy Mother's Day. You guys, you know, go through a lot, do a lot in every day, from the time you guys get up to the time you guys go to bed. It's a lot being a mother. Dads, not so much. It's always the mothers. So let's give the mothers praises when it comes to that child. You do have dads out there who are mothers as well. So nothing shaky or funny, but happy Mother's Day to those guys who's being a mother to their child right now. Because you do have guys out there that take care of their child. Single dads, who especially has to take care of a girl child, and that girl, you have to be a mother to take care of that girl, if you get what I'm saying, right? So you have guys out here who are taking care of girls who has to teach them things that the mother would be teaching that girl, right? So you guys know what I'm talking about. You mothers know what I'm talking about. So happy Mother's Day. Nothing shaky to those guys as well who's playing a mother. But today is Mother's Day. It's not about the guys. Happy Mother's Day again to all these amazing, wonderful women who are doing the most, for their kids. And even if you're not, doing the most, but happy Mother's Day. All right, so it's Sunday. Yesterday's video, which was Saturday, didn't do much. So this is just a little recap. Yesterday, we did some cleanup at the salon, took some calls, did some paperwork. Last minute decision to go to the races. A lot of you guys might not know what it is. Some of you guys might know what it is. But we went to the drift race. It's a drifting competition, I would say. They take the cars and slide them around, waste tires, pretty much. Create a big smoke show. That's drifting. So all who don't know what drifting is, go Google it. It's a big thing. Just like how you have NASCAR, you got Formula One, you got all different type of car, automotive racing. This is just one of them. It's a drifting competition. I believe it is. It's a big thing. They go tour and they're all over. Started over there in Japan, I believe. Anyway, decided to go to this race, just to take some time off. I haven't been out for a while to any of these events. So last minute decision, Friday night, I stopped by a friend of mine's shop. If you notice in that video, I was killing some time, stopped by his shop. They said they were going up there. So between Friday night, Saturday morning, I decided to go up there. So it was good. It was fun. We get older now, so we're not very interested in car stuff anymore, but it's still in our blood. We still would go and watch it. But it was fun. To me, those kind of races is kind of boring to me. After you watch it a few times, being there an hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, they doing the same thing over and over. It's not like you have Formula One or Rally. Out of all of them, I think Rally is the one I like the most. They have different stages. It's not on a track where they just doing the same thing over and over and over and over. I mean, they do crash sometimes or bump each other. It might get exciting, but pretty much for the whole time, it's the same thing, same section of track. It's not a full circle track. It's just a section of the track. They do the sliding thing and come around. So to me, after watching them an hour, 2 hours doing the same thing over and over, it gets boring. I don't. Maybe it's just me. Don't knock me, car guys. You got those diehard drift friends out there who's gonna get on me over it. It's not about that. It's still fun. Don't get me wrong, but for me, I think maybe I may have ADD or something, so I can't pay attention to certain things too long. So anyway, um, it was good. It was fun. Like I like seeing the cars. They're loud. They're going sideways. It takes skill to do all of that, right? So it's fun. Maybe if I was driving it, I wouldn't say it's not. Anyhow, so went to the races, checked that out for a couple hours, came back. So yesterday's vlog is pretty much a short vlog in the morning, of me talking a little bit. Like, I do that best, talk. So did that in the morning. 12 o'clock, got ready and head up to the races. I didn't get much footage of me walking around and stuff. It's a real big compound. I stood by the starting line and catch a couple cars right there. To me, it's just a huge racetrack, and to walk all over to go, I wasn't about to do all of that. So as I said, my vlogs is about where I've been and what I've done throughout the day. That's what this vlog is about, what I've done throughout the day. So I'm not about to go vlog an event to put on here, right? It's not about that event. It's not about, I'll just catch little clips here and there. So right now it's just a recap of yesterday. Whatever you watched yesterday, this is just to explain, some people might say, hey, why didn't you walk around? We could see the cars. We could do this. Bro, it's not about that. I ain't gonna walk around to film the whole of that to put here. So it's life every day about me, not about them. So this is probably just a little explanation as to why that didn't happen. I stood by the finish line, watched it for a couple hours, got me a little chair and sit. I have a yoga mat. You see it in the clip. I lay down right there. I ain't walking up and down filming people's cars and shit. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take that shit part out. But it was fun. Bottom line. All right. As we go along, we'll talk about stuff, talk about issues, talk about addressing stuff like that. So this is one of them. I'm addressing stuff. This channel is not about to go do this, don't do that. Most of these times when I take up the mic, it's not planned. Right now, what I'm talking to you about, I'm not planning it. I didn't sit down and plan what I'm going to talk to you about. That's the funny thing about this. People started saying, oh, why this or why that? Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? I'm not planning this speech or this little session I'm having. I'm just going off the top of my head, just whatever comes to my mind, right? When you see me do something, if I take it up and I'm in the van and I take it up and I don't put the mic on, so you hear all the noise in the background or you hear a car zooming by and you didn't hear me properly. The reason for that is because I didn't plan it. I didn't plan it because at the moment I might just say, hey, let me say something on the camera, and I take up the camera and start talking, not realizing I don't have the mirror. So everything is in real life. All I do right here is in real life. It's just as how you would get up and go on the street, you forget your keys or you forget something, right? So you vlog, in the vlog, you forget your keys. But I didn't plan it. So because I didn't plan it, I am going to forget my keys. But what I'm talking about now, when I just got up, it's now 8:30. I got up like an hour now. When I got up, I didn't wake up and plan that I'm going to say this. What I'm talking about now, I didn't plan it. An hour ago, I got up. I just come downstairs, turn the mic, turn the camera on, and started talking. And I know it's Mother's Day, so I just started talking about that, right? So everything that I talk about and say, it's not planned. I didn't plan it. So you are gonna see mistakes. You are gonna hear me say things that's not grammatically correct, right? But it's what it is. You will see my lips white every now and then. Because when you talk, your mouth might get dry. Let me get some water. I haven't got to drink my hot water yet. But so you are gonna see a few things. You might see a little fuzz here and there. You know what I'm saying? Because it's real life. It's not, I got up, I washed my face, brushed my teeth, looked in the mirror. But from that time to this time, something, you might, a piece of fuzz. I don't know, this here, right here, I need to go shave it. Because again, it's real life. I ain't trying to go get a clean up. Sometimes I don't brush, do anything to my hair. I got braids, it needs braids. But guess what? Because I'm not producing this content right here by going and fixing up myself, I'm in regular clothes, look, regular shorts. Because I'm not staging anything, I'm not producing the content. I am producing the content in terms of real life content, but I'm not pre-planning and producing it. You know how some people make content, they're gonna make sure the background is good, they're gonna make sure this. Nah, this is life every day. All right. When you come downstairs, those vloggers who come downstairs, or they step out of that nice, pretty looking room they set up to vlog, the background in the next room is messy, but they're producing this content for you. So what they do, they fix up that room and make that room that they sit in looks nice. For me, it's life every day. This is where I live. You're gonna have dishes right here, so you're gonna see me washing some dishes. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see the hat on the chair over there in the background. You're gonna see stuff, my little makeshift office in the corner. My office right there in the corner is on the dining room table. So this is real life. We vlogging what I get up and do in real life. I ain't got time to be setting up and producing no content, no high production with background behind me and all of that, right? It's not about that. This channel is just about life every day that someone would get up and do. Real life work, right? So that's what I do. I get up every day and it's whatever comes my way. Go to the salon, clear. That's my job to, take care of the salon, like a maintenance type of thing. So pretty much I'm the maintenance guy, right? So I do maintenance there. And then, obviously you guys, if you're keeping up, doing a restaurant. So we're building out a restaurant. So, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. Let's go outside. Let me start this water. You guys always see me start my hot water. So for those who don't know, I drink my hot water every morning. I used to drink tea, or I do drink tea occasionally. It's not like I don't drink tea. I drink tea occasionally. I used to drink coffee. To be honest, that coffee makes my left eye twitch. I guess it's the caffeine. Whenever I drink coffee, the yaya just twitch like this. You don't see it. If you stand in front of me, you won't see it, but I feel it. It's like it twitch like that. So any doctors or anything, I did a little bit of Googler and stuff like that, and they said that caffeine, many other things cause your eye to twitch. But for me, I think it was the coffee. And now I stopped drinking coffee and it doesn't twitch, period. So I think that was it. So I stopped drinking the coffee. And the only reason I was drinking coffee more than less is when I was expediting on the road, you have to have that caffeine. You be driving hours all over. That's another topic too I could talk about when it comes to the expediting. You probably have seen me put some footages down there in the bottom of the list, where I'm on the road, delivering stuff and stuff like that. So I'll talk about that later on in another video. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. The sun is not out yet. It's kind of overcast. um, I still have that Mercedes Benz. Got a few cars. The guy who was interested, he said he's still interested, but in real life, I think he just doesn't have all the money, so he's just buying time. So he's still interested, but I think he just need to get some more cash. So he's buying a couple times to get the extra cash. No big deal. Sometimes we don't have all the money to do what we want to do. However, um, we have another guy or two more people interested. So hopefully by midday they'll come by and take a look at it and decide if they want it. Most of these people on a Sunday, they won't have the money in hand, but they'll probably get the money by Monday or Tuesday. So hopefully, keep fingers crossed, we make a sale today. Let's see what else we could talk about. As I said, I'm just winging this. Every time you see me come on this thing, I wing it. I don't plan anything or make notes of what I'm going to talk about. It's real life. So it's a beautiful day today. If you look, it's nice. The birds are chirping in the background. Hear them? Birds are chirping. Yeah. It's kind of cool, chilly this morning. Normal by this time it will be warm or not hot, but warmer temperatures. But I think it's just a little cold front or something passing through. It's colder than normal, right, for this time of year. So today it's been like 17 minutes now I'm talking. Yeah, but that's what I do, I talk. Today it's a chill day. I ain't gonna be doing too much today, more than what I'm doing right now. Today I'll probably do some research. It is Mother's Day. I'm wondering if I should talk about this, but yeah, I'm going to talk about it. It's real life. All right. So my mother has passed. For all who didn't know or all who was new to this channel, today is Mother's Day, so we are going to go to the cemetery to, pay our respects to our mother. So that's what I'm going to do today. I was supposed to meet this guy called me last night, saying that he's going to come by to look at the car after church. So I'll probably, whatever meeting I have, I'll just push it around what I have to do. So I'm going to swing by the cemetery this morning sometime. When I'm done, I'm going to head out and go down there. And then if they call to look at the car, I'll just schedule it after. So today is going to be around visiting my mother. Everything else is going to be around that, right? I have the van. The van is cleaned. It's already clean. I keep it clean, most every day. I just don't wash it every day or every week. But because it's, I'm driving alone, there's no one else in there, so it doesn't get dirty. So I'm gonna just give it a nice clean out. It's dusty inside, the dashboard is dusty, stuff like that. So if the sun comes out and it's a nice day, I'll clean that out, get that cleaned. I have a bunch of other stuff to list online just for sale, so I'm trying to liquidate a couple of stuff, lighten up the load a little bit. Stuff that we acquired over the years, I'm trying to lighten it up. So someone else was asking about those wheels, so maybe they'll come by today. I might swing down to the truck yard. There's more items to list in there, so I might swing down there on or off camera to go take some pictures of some more things I need to sell. The pickup truck is pretty much good to go. It's drivable, it's licensed, it's insured. So whenever we put this van back on the road, the expediting van, I'll just go down and grab the other pickup truck, because I'm gonna need it shortly to work on the restaurant. So yeah, I think that's it for this segment, this section of it. That's what I have planned for today. Visit my mom at the cemetery, and then I'm gonna come back, clean the van, edit these videos so I could drop them today because it is a Mother's Day video. So I'm gonna try and drop this video today, so people will see it today. So I'm probably just gonna I'm gonna cut this video off early, and drop this video so that way, we could, all the mothers could get that shout out, from today. So I ain't gonna try and drop this late tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna drop it today. Yesterday's video, which is Saturday, I'm gonna work on that right now so I could drop that video right now, in a couple of hours, maybe an hour or so. Yeah, so you guys will be watching yesterday's video shortly, after I drop this one. And I'm just gonna insert a few clips of the cars and what they do and how they spin around and stuff like that to show you guys what the drifting stuff is. A lot of you guys will probably know who it is, the guys will probably know who it is, what it is, but I'm gonna put some clips right here. But yesterday was a short day for the vlog, but a long day for me because I got up early, did my morning routine, and then we went to the races. Didn't get back till like 10-11 o'clock last night. I did pass by the restaurant space just to take a look and see what, I didn't film that, but I just took a look at what's going on a Saturday night. If there's a lot of people in the gas station, if they pull in, or a lot of people coming in and out during that time I'm there. Gas station is fairly new, so it's not people pulling, but it's not a crowded gas station like a QT, or it's not that busy yet. It's a brand new build, so and there's no anchor stores in there yet. Not anchor stores, sorry. Anchor store is the main store. Gas station would be the anchor store. There's no stores like us in there yet. All the spaces are empty, so nothing is built out yet. So it should get busier. It should get better. It's a busy intersection right there at the where the restaurant is gonna be. So once stores start building in that plaza, then obviously more people will be coming in. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some editing right now. It's still early. It's about 8:30 in the morning. It's a beautiful morning. As you can see, I'm in short sleeve, so it's cool, but it's not cold. It's kind of chilly for some people, but it's I'm not shivering. It's nice. In Jamaica, this would be like Upper Mandeville. So Upper Mandeville, it cool, but then when you're down at Spanish Town, where I come from, or Kingston, it might be warmer. But Upper Mandeville, it kind of, well, them people are out in a YouTube world too now in Jamaica. They don't always say Mandeville, they always say Galdeville. But hey, me's a grown man, I pass them the little foolishness there. Mandeville. So to the world, we need to make people know, say, yo, a Mandeville the place name, right? And a Galdeville and all of them things. Joke time amongst one another, but amongst no friends. But when you speak to the world, it's called Mandeville, right? By the way, the other day, I did actually dip on the road out in I believe it was Texas or somewhere, and I was passing a sign. There was a Mandeville out there, a city called Mandeville, out there somewhere. I think it's Texas. Don't hold me to it. We could Google it, but somewhere out there, one of those states, I saw that sign, and instantly it reminded me of being in Jamaica, Mandeville. Yeah. So as I say, you're gonna see me jump around a lot because I don't pre-plan any topic. I'm not when I take up the camera, the vlog could be something for next week, something from last week, something from Jamaica, something from here, something about what I've done in the past. This is what this vlog is about. It's just me talking random things or whatever is in my mind. You know what I'm saying? People will just probably gravitate towards what I'm thinking at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Or hearing about my story, or I got a lot of stories coming up from when I was a kid coming up. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot to talk about. So every day I'll just squeeze in something, whatever comes to my mind. You know what I'm saying? I'm here talking about some stuff right now, and you know, we here and we talk about the Mother's Day, and then it leaded to me talking about Jamaica in Mandeville. So this is what this vlog is about. It's just right off the top of my head. Whatever comes to my head, it's gonna jump around. People are gonna say, "Hey, why don't you pick a topic?" No, it's not that type of content. My type of content is just about whatever I'm talking to you about at the moment, right? We jump around stuff, just like in real life. In real life, when two people talking in real life, I'm quite sure the person who's probably gonna say something about this, when they're sitting talking to their friends, they talk about all sorts of crap from when they were a kid, probably come to in the future, right? That's what real life people do. But when we watch these things on YouTube or whatever social media, it's scripted because they have a topic and they stay on that topic for that episode or that section, that whatever they post. That's fine too. Everything we watch on TV or on social media is mostly scripted. Somebody came up with a topic and they talk about that topic, right? So it's that scripted, right? But for me, nothing is scripted. I just take up the camera and start talking. All those videos from 2 weeks ago to today, it's not scripted. It's just me taking up the camera and talking about whatever I'm going to do for that day, and then whatever comes to my mind throughout the day, I'll pick up the camera and start talking. So as I said, this vlog is going to be a short vlog, so I ain't going to film me going to the cemetery. I ain't going to film nothing like that, right? I'm just going to end this vlog out somewhere right around here, or you know, I'll probably go inside and show you guys me guy washing up the dishes, something, whatever. I'll put something in there and then I'll end it out right there, so that we could, you know, as again, shout out the moms before the day is over, right? So once again, happy Mother's Day to all you amazing, wonderful moms out there. Make sure you guys stay in bed a little later today. Make sure the kids take you guys out, who can take you guys out for dinner or something, or a spa day, or whatever the case is. Just have a good day. Even if you ain't gonna do all of that, just sit in, snuggle up, watch some TV, relax. It's your day. So happy Mother's Day again. I'm sending you flowers. Some probably put something on the screen or not, but happy Mother's Day. Yeah, let's end this all. Let me see it. I could show you a good footage of the tree that fell. You can't see it good, but a tree fell in the backyard the other day, right there. It's a big tree. It goes all the way back in the bushes, all the way back there. But yeah, it was storming the other day, and let me try and okay. It was storming the other day, and the tree fell. It was windy and rainy, and that day in one of those videos a couple days ago. But yeah, it's you know, it's a nice day, even although the sun is not out yet. It looks like it's gonna come out, but it's just a little overcast. So you know, it is a nice day. So yeah, let me go get my hot water, go around the computer. I'm gonna edit yesterday's video real quick, and my editing is not a lot. I just pretty much look for the things I may have said that I didn't want to say, names, stuff like that. I'll just edit those things out. So my editing, this what I'm talking about right here, right now, I'm filming, I pretty much don't have to do any editing at all on this footage right here. On certain sections I might take some things out. I might catch someone in the background that I didn't want to, so I'll cut that piece out. It's not about me filming people or anything. It's about me and my face and what I see sometimes, right? So the only editing I do is to cut some people out, or I might be here filming and then somebody just pop through the door because it's real life, right? They don't know I'm filming. Somebody just come through the door, so I'll cut that part out and start from there, continue. So that's the editing I have to do. But most of my segments that I do is just one take, right? Like now I'm out here from the time I started talking to now, it's just one take. So that's how I pretty much do it. I pick up the camera, I just wing it and try to get that whole section in, without a lot of edits and this and that. And, you know what I'm saying? I watch some people videos and it's just high production, and this ain't no high production. This is just a camera in my hand, one man band. Yeah. So let's move on to the next, guys. I talk too much sometimes, but without me talking, you guys wouldn't have anything to watch, right? So let's talk away. Alright, I'm gonna get on the next scene, do some editing. Alright, guys, so I decided to end this vlog, as I said, so I could post it today. Today is Sunday, so I'm gonna post this video today, so the mothers could get that shout out from today. So once again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, the superwoman mothers out there. Have a blessed day. Enjoy the day. Even if your kids didn't remember to tell you happy Mother's Day, I'm telling you happy Mother's Day. These kids nowadays, they don't remember their mothers, or remember the occasions. Father's Day and Mother's Day, they seem to forget. But happy Mother's Day to all you superwomen out there. You're all awesome. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. So have a great day. It's a beautiful day today. Sun is shining, it's nice. I'm out here walking in the grass, barefoot. Sometimes you gotta walk barefoot, stay grounded. But I'm gonna close this one out. See you tomorrow. See you Monday. Let's see. We don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow, but obviously there's something to do every day. So have a blessed Sunday. Peace.